Hello viewers, I am Marco Prabhu and you are watching Next Tech. Today I will unbox this iPhone 10R. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Here is the box packaging of Apple iPhone 10R and it's the white variant and the 64 GB base model. It's priced at nearly 53,000 but on sale, on festive sale on Flipkart, it's available near around 40,000. Now let's unwrap it. It's a smooth Apple iPhone experience, and after unboxing the packaging, we get a compartment like say designed by Apple California, and in this packaging we get some of the documentation, the hello and some sim ejector tool and the Apple stickers. And just keeping this documentation aside, we get the product itself. It's the white Apple iPhone 10R, and keeping it aside, we get charger. Here is a 5-watt charger and its rating is 5 volt 1 ampere. Now after the charger we get the lightning connector, AirPods, and it's the regular AirPods which comes with every other iPhone, and is the USB-A to lightning cable. This is the iPhone itself, and I'm just unwrapping the stickers. This is the product itself, iPhone 10R white variant, and this is the back part made out of glass, and this is the camera, the secondary microphone and the flash here. So this is the Apple logo and this is the iPhone branding. Talking about the display, it has a 6.1-inch HD plus display. Here is the 7-megapixel shooter, there is a earpiece, and here is the Face ID. At the downside of the product, there are the stereo speakers and the lightning port, and on the upper side there is literally nothing. And going on to the left side, there are the power volume rockers, the silent switch and several antenna bands. There is also dual antenna bands, the power button and the SIM tray over there. Now let me give you a detailed look at the SIM tray. Here is a SIM ejector tool. It has a nano SIM and eSIM support that is new on the iPhone 10 series. It's available on the iPhone 10R. So here is the SIM tray and the nano SIM support here, and the SIM tray looks kind of metallic. It has an aluminum body out there and looks like a glass back. This phone has a 6.1-inch HD plus IPS LCD display, and it's having iPhone's special Apple's True Tone display, which is quite good for eyes, and the display is quite good really. This phone is having Apple's A12 Bionic chip, which is a hexa-core processor, and this processor is quite good for regular day-to-day work, and for gaming also it is quite good. And this is having a 2942 milliampere of battery. It comes with a 5-watt charger, regular charger, but it does support fast charging and wireless charging on the iPhone 10R. Now let's talk about the storages, and going to settings, general and iPhone storage. So this I am having a 64GB variant, and here you can see the 12.8GB is used by the default app. I have not installed any third-party app, so it is an idea for you that how much storage you will get from the iPhone 10R. iPhone 10R is having the Face ID of 2nd generation, and here is a sample of the Face ID. Here I'm unlocking the Face ID, see, and it's blazing fast. Now let's see how the rear camera of the iPhone 10R is. So here is the interface of the iPhone 10R, like photo, video, time lapse, slow motion, portrait and square, and every other option out there. It doesn't have a depth sensing sensor, but it does portrait photos with artificial intelligence. So here is a sample. I just clicked on my iPhone 10R, and tons of samples are included at the later part of the video. Here is the front camera of the iPhone XR, and you can see the sample, the live sample. And as I said earlier, I've attached many samples on there. So here are the modes like photo, portrait, video, slow-mo, and every other mode. So on the portrait mode, here is several lighting modes available like studio lighting, black and white, and many other modes of iPhone XR. Now let's see some of the samples of the iPhone XR, and here is a sky sample, here is my garden sample, here is a close-up sample, here is a human subject sample, and here is the portrait sample of iPhone XR, and here is a selfie from iPhone XR, is a portrait mode selfie. Here are some indoor lighting condition pictures, here general pictures, and this is a low light mode condition, and it's a human subject indoor. Here is an indoor human portrait shot, here is a selfie indoor, and here is an indoor portrait selfie. So that was the unboxing for the iPhone XR, and do let me know in the comment section what do you think about the product. And especially now it's available in 40,000, under 40,000 on online websites like Flipkart on festive sales. So like I know I'm pretty late unboxing this, like it was launched like 1.5 or 2 years ago, but I think at that price range under 40k, it's a good product. It's a good iPhone to consider for those people who want to just start with the Apple ecosystem or the Apple lineup. So that's it for today, guys, and hope you like the video. Then press the like button and press the subscribe button. Subscribe our channel NEX TECH for more interesting and quality tech videos, and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.